The government of Pakistan, through its Digital Pakistan policy, is endeavoring to improve the environment for digitalization of the economy in the country. The government of Pakistan is fully aware of the potential that ICT has for taking the economy growth leaps and bounds. So in this regard, there are critical steps being taken by the government in participation with the private sector, and this collaboration with the private sector is the backbone of our policy, and we are trying to get as much leverage as possible with the participation of all the stakeholders and major players in the field of ICT. There are policies on cyber security, the personal data protection, which are being taken forward by this government in order to make the environment conducive for ICT growth in the country. The national incubation centers, which have been jointly set up with the collaboration with the private sector, are taking new initiatives in order to enable the startups in the country. On the same pattern, the government, through its fiscal reforms as well as through the policy initiatives, is trying to create incentives for the industry, which will help in making the Pakistan a success story in digitization of the economy. The e-governance initiative of the government is going forward at a great pace, and we are trying to make the government of Pakistan paperless. The collaboration with the industry is going on in order to train the public sector employees to make them fully conversant of the requirements of the digital economy and to train them to build their capacity in order to achieve these tasks. So the focus on the digital economy, I believe, is going to create a synergy in the government's efforts for providing jobs to our youth. Pakistan is by demography a young country. A lot of youth enters into the job market every year. So we believe that if we develop our HR in order to harness their potential in terms of ICT, it will create great employment opportunities for our youth as well. Thank you.